Hey everyone, is your Messenger app not ringing when someone calls? This issue can be frustrating and it usually happens because of app glitches or notification settings. Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps to get those Messenger call notifications working again. Solution 1. Enable Messenger notifications in the app. Open the Messenger app, tap the menu bar, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap Notification and Sounds. Make sure all permissions and sound toggles are turned on. Solution 2. Check System Notification Settings. Open your phone settings. Go to App Management. Tap on App List. Then find and select Messenger. Tap on Notifications. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on, especially for calls and chats. Solution 3. Clear Messenger Cache. Long press the Messenger app icon, tap on App Info, tap Storage and Cache, then hit Clear Cache. Solution 4. Update the Messenger app. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger. If you see an Update button, tap it. Once the app is updated, open it and test the call notifications. And that's it. After following these steps, your Messenger app should start ringing normally when someone calls. If this video helped, smash the like button and subscribe for more easy tech solutions that actually work. Still having issues? Don't hesitate to drop a comment. I'll do my best to help you out personally. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.